Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to make your own wireless power bank. So guys, it's very easy. To make a wireless power bank, you need a power bank itself and a wireless charger and two double-sided strips, tape strips, and one charging cable to charge the power bank and one charging cable to charge the wireless charger. Now what to do? Just stick these two strips on the top of your wireless charger and stick that wireless charger on the top of your power bank, but the connecting port should face towards the connecting port of the power bank. And now what you have to do, you have to connect that wireless charger to your power bank, and your wireless power bank is ready. Now we have to test it whether it's working or not. Now its lights will change from blue to green, and it will make a sound as well. Guys, so the wireless charger has made the sound and the phone is being charged. So guys, our charger is ready. Now to charge this power bank, what we have to do, if we have to charge our power bank, then simply we have to connect our power bank to charging cable, and charging other side of the charging cable will go to power supply. That's all. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.